Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm Kim if you don't know me, and it's Stitch Fix Day today. And here's my box. I didn't open it yet, but I did peek because I can't wait to get it. So yeah, hope you guys are having a good summer. I know I am. So anything I don't want, I return for free, free shipping both ways. And I got a pair of shoes. They always come in this little bag. So, and here is my note from my stylist. I'll read that later. And my prices. And here's my little bundle. Go see what that is. Alright, so let's do the shoes first. So these are Maya, M-I-A, toe strap sandals. Cute. And these are size 7. Let's see. I should read my stylist. It says, "Hi Kim, I am so thrilled to see how much you are loving your fixes. I wasn't able to find the Cosmic Blue Love jeans this time, but I will check for you next time if you want. Let's kick off with the Just USA cuffed shorts. These featured a flattering mid-rise fit and lower length you prefer. Wear them with a pink clover knit front tank and versatile strapping sandals from Maya for a casual chic outfit perfect for a weekend outing with the family. I can't wait to hear back from you. Expo Whitney." That's Whitney. I'll take a picture of it for you guys to see. Oh, this is cute. Okay. I didn't know what this black shirt was when I seen it online. This is Emery Park button back detail rib niche top. And here's the back side, so these buttons. A shirt by Emery Park. Has joined me. He's curled up on the couch. Alright, and the next. This is by Pink Clover. Super long. It's got a knot there, or gathered, kind of, sort of. So beautiful, I love it. Alright, and next. This is cute too. I don't usually pick clothes with this kind of colors, but it looks pretty together. A nice little blouse. This is by Fun to Fun. Lily, I'm not really sure. V-neck blouse in a light blue. So cute. And last by Just Us. Ooh. Light denim cuffed shorts. Alright, we'll see if this fits. I think this might be a little bit too big, but we'll see. Maybe it will be just right. It might be just right. Alright, so they're cuffed and they're frayed. Cute. And they're a little bit longer in length, which I like. Oops. Alright, so let's go try them on now. Alright, I am back with the shorts on. Shorts are too big for me. Fits. It's long, but it fits. Yeah, I'm not liking the... They're so big around the legs. But, yeah, that's that. Alright, here's this blouse. Not bad. Alright, back with the last shirt. It's pretty cute. Here are the shoes. I definitely have to go up a size though for them. They're a little bit on the small side, but they are cute. So this is my Stitch Fix number 7. And let's see, the sandals are $49. Those are a size 7. I'd have to go up a size if I were to keep them. This blouse is $40. Black button down is $36. This is in a navy color on the bottom, and maybe the stripes. It's $28. I did like it, but it's a little long, and I'd probably have to size down as well if I was to keep it. And the shorts, Just USA cuffed shorts in indigo is $44. I did have a credit. Somebody used my code, so I got $25 off if I do purchase something. And then the total for everything is $197. If I got everything, that would be 25% discount, so that would be minus $49.25. And then the grand total would be $147.75. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your summer.